Hello guys, this is xagrooos. In this video, I wanna explain about Algorand. Please start now subscribing and clicking the bell. You don't miss anything. What is Algorand? Algorand is a decentralized network built to solve the blockchain trilemma of achieving speed, security, and decentralization. Algorand is a permissionless and open source blockchain network upon which anyone can build. Algorand is designed to be payments focused network with rapid transaction and strong focus on achieving near instant finality. That means processing over 1000 transactions per second or TPS and achieving transaction finality in less than 5 seconds. Algorand uses a proof of stake POS consensus mechanism and distributes validator rewards to all holders of its native AlGO cryptocurrency through strong throughput, capacity, and equitable community incentivization. Algorand is capable of managing the high throughput requirements of widespread global usage and a variety of use cases. As a public smart contract blockchain that relies on staking, Algorand is currently capable of hosting decentralized application development and providing scalability. Rising gas fees on Ethereum have led many dApp developers and decentralized finance traders to look for alternative blockchain solutions, with some turning to Algorand as an Ethereum alternative for dApp development and DeFi applications. Algorand also allows developers to use the Algorand Standard Asset (ASA) protocol to create new tokens or to transfer existing tokens to the Algorand ecosystem. For example, stablecoins like USDT and USDC also exist as ASAs on the Algorand blockchain and enjoy much higher throughput and much lower transaction fees than what is typical on Ethereum. Further, as central banks continue to research networks to host their central bank digital currencies (CBDCs), Algorand has become a viable option and has been chosen to host the Marshall Islands CBDCs. Algorand's protocol structure. Algorand has a unique two-tiered blockchain structure. The base layer supports smart contracts, asset creation, and atomic swap between assets. All of this process take place on layer 1 of the Algorand blockchain, which helps ensure security and compatibility. On this first layer of the Algorand network, platforms and users can create ASAs, which represent new or existing tokens on the Algorand blockchain. This is similar to how ERC20 tokens function on the Ethereum network. In regards to security, simple smart contracts on the Algorand platform execute as layer 1 Algorand smart contracts (ASC1), which means they maintain the same level of security as the consensus protocol itself. The second layer of Algorand is reserved for more complex smart contracts and dApp development. It's this bifurcation of the network between layer 1 and layer 2 that allows Algorand to process transactions so efficiently. With more complex smart contract taking place off-chain, simple transactions can be processed more quickly on layer 1 without being bogged down by larger, more complex smart contracts. Algorand staking mechanism. Pure proof of stake. Algorand uses a unique variation of proof of stake called pure proof of stake or PPOS. PPOS is a highly democratized POS consensus mechanism with a low minimum staking requirement for participating in and securing the network. Only one AlGO coin is required to participate. By contrast, Ethereum 2 requires a minimum stake of 32 Ether, an amount which establishes a much higher barrier to entry for users. Conversely, a low minimum staking requirement may adversely affect network security, as network participants may be less incentivized to behave optimally when they don't have substantial value stake on the network.